Let's go.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Project.
Oh, hey, oh, hey. Oh, hey, oh, ah. Oh, hey, oh, hey. Oh, hey, oh, ah. Everybody, gather round now. Let your body feel the heat. Don't you worry if you can't dance. Let the music move your feet. Don't push your body to that conga. Don't toss it any longer. Feel the rhythm of the music getting stronger. Don't you fight to that conga. Don't push your body to that conga. Don't toss it any longer. Feel the rhythm of the music getting stronger. Don't you fight to that conga. Oh, hey, oh, ah. Oh, hey, oh, hey. Oh, hey, oh, ah. Don't push your body to that conga.
I told you so. Sinabi ko na sa inyo na walang kwentang performance ng Tonet Star na yan.
Ang syopal ng Tesla.
Mula nung pagdating ng Tonet na yan dito, she's been nothing but a troublemaker.
Hoy! Sir Kenneth! Hinipuan ako! Anong gusto mo? Tumambling ako sa tuwa at ibigay yung kabilang chick!
Kahit na. Oo, sige. Subukan mo. Oo.
Please tell him na magkita kami sa favorite restaurant namin bukas ng gabi.
Porket gwapo ka, feeling mo lahat ng babae magkakagusto sa'yo?
Oh.
Porket maganda tsaka mamula mo lang yung lips mo. Feeling mo lahat ng mga babae gusto kong i-lips ulit?
Ganyan lang talaga ang mga bading, darling.
Baka? Gusto niyo akong maging baka? Yan!
Ning, kilala ko yung si Vodka. Kapag may ayaw yung pag-iinitan niya talaga hanggang mapaalit niya dito.
Oo, agad! Huwag ka na kasing mag-imagine na magiging star ka na katulad ko, ha?
Ang taloob, Kenneth! Wala kang pusa! Sana hindi lang tayo nagkakilala.